So hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to run REST API in your VS Code. This you can see that this is my VS Code terminal. Just go on the extension section and here search for the thunderclient. You can see this is the extension. Just install it. You can read here how to use, and you can after installing you can see that there's an icon. Click on it and new request. You can see that there's already a URL. Then you can just click the send button. You can see a default JSON file or API. You can also add here parameters if required, header, also body, and if you are using this you don't need to use postman. Thank you.